Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Dodge Ram tailgate. First, open your tailgate to a 90-degree angle, making it easier to access the connections. On the driver's side, you will find the electrical harness. Carefully press the release tab and pull the connector apart. Make sure all wires are completely free and clear from the tailgate before proceeding to the next step. This ensures no damage occurs during removal. Next, we will tackle the tailgate support cables. You'll find one on each side, connecting the tailgate to the truck bed. Start by releasing the cable from the tailgate side. Sometimes, a small flathead screwdriver or a pry tool can help gently pop it free. Once the driver's side cable is detached, move to the passenger side and repeat the exact same process. This prepares the tailgate for lifting. Now for the main event, lifting and removing the tailgate. With the tailgate still open at 90 degrees, lift it straight up about 4 to 6 inches. The passenger side hinge should disengage first. Then, slide the entire tailgate towards the passenger side to completely clear the driver's side hinge. With a firm grip, carefully lower the tailgate away from the truck. It can be heavy, so consider having a second person assist you. Reinstalling your Dodge Ram tailgate is essentially the reverse of the removal process. Begin by aligning the driver's side hinge first, then carefully slide the tailgate into place, ensuring both hinge points are fully engaged. Reconnect both support cables, making sure they are secure. Finally, don't forget to plug the electrical harness back in until it clicks. Always double-check all connections before closing the tailgate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.